Okay, so we've made it to Mini Fest 2025. All the cars are here, I've got my Mini on display, and best of all, we've got VIP access. Check this out. Boom. Hell yeah. So we've got our own private room, we've got free food, free drink, we've got a beautiful view of the track here. Say hi, Charlie.
Hi.
Look at that. Amazing. What a day this is going to be. A bit early, everyone's still setting up. Got the Mini on display here at the boys at Pro Bike. So yeah, if you've seen it, let me know in the comments. We've got the Pro Bike rear brakes and pads on there. And yeah, let's take a little look around, shall we? At some point I do need to get myself a GP. I think that'll be the next one. Store away in the garage. That is going to be a goddamn future classic. That'll be beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So yeah, obviously there's a lot of cars here to look at. I'm not going to show you all of them because last time one of you commented complaining saying, oh, there's a lot more Minis than that. Obviously there's a lot more bloody Minis than that. You'll be sitting here for like 2 hours watching a video. Every goddamn Mini I've got here, that we've got here on display. But yeah, I'll show you the ones I like the most, and yeah, pretty wicked. Nice little turnout as always. Beautiful cars. Love it. Great day out, great people. Can't beat Mini Fest. I don't know if you can hear me right now because it's mega busy, but yeah, got an R1 engine, full tubular chassis. Probably seen the pictures there. Look at that, you're literally laying down in the back. Look how far you are away. There's a dashboard, all the way to the back. Almost laying down like you're on a sunbed or something. That is sick. I like that. Nice build. Getting all the good shots there, stand on top of his car. Good lad. Right, so we're allowed to chalk draw on his car, so Charlie, you're going to draw on his car? That's a pretty cool idea, isn't it? So at that chalkboard Mini. Please be gentle. Go on then, draw me something. Very good.
Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. I'm wake up, go down. I'm pray to God like a nun. I'm put that on my. I'm put that on my son. On go like 3, 2, 1. Don't smoke, I need my lungs. I stack and feed my.
Might have to invest myself in one of these little TP tents. Pretty cool.
I'ma do this have fun, ayy. I'm blasting, ayy. Don't matter, ayy. Can't match it, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Speed it up.
What's going on here?
Motorbike cage, but standard block, like 1275 or something, and it's a full conversion.
That's mad. That is mad. That is some build, I'll give you that. Oh, this year there's some really good builds around, I must say. Really good. Impressive. So I'm trying not to do too many montages, but I'm trying to show you everything that's here because it is absolutely great display. Some amazing cars on display. Unfortunately, everywhere I seem to walk, they're playing copyright music, so I can't actually talk while I'm doing it. But yeah, some really nice cars out here. Really lovely. Nice. Everywhere you turn is just like an extra little section with some extra nice cars. Tell you what, this is a fantastic show. Absolutely fantastic. really recommend coming here. I'm gonna take a minute to say thank you for watching all my videos. This video isn't finished yet. I really appreciate you guys subscribing, really appreciate you following the journey. I know I'm starting to mix in a little bit of drift cars as well, but the Mini's not going anywhere, the Mini content's not going anywhere, and we're certainly going to be doing a lot more track days with our Mini. So obviously we've got it on the Pro Bike stand today, which is pretty awesome. Nice, very kind of them to let us on board. But yeah, the build is going to get bigger, the build is going to get better, especially when we get that garage. Oh, that garage will just be, the content will just level up. So please follow this journey. Right, let's have a look what else there is, eh? I like this sort of mix in the Japanese style here with a German branded car, the old Blossom. Do like that. Bit weird, the old square headlights, lowered roof. I've got a weird feeling this is a standard car, not I don't think that's been modified, chopped. Let me know in the comments, is that modified or is that standard? I think it's standard. I think this is a Southeast Minis Owners Club. Last time I tried to get some stickers here, but they didn't have the colour I wanted in stock. So let's see if we can go get some stickers for the Mini. Right, success. I've got one sticker. I wanted two, but they've only got one in yellow. So yeah, I at least can represent my my club, I guess. Nice. Maybe next year. It's the first year we didn't get any stickers. This year we got one sticker. Hopefully next year we can get the second sticker to match. But
Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Speed it up, speed it up, speed it up.
what do you think of these things? A bit weird, isn't it? Can't remember what they're called. What they're called? Can't remember. Monks or something? Mini Monk? I don't know. Just down the front. Oh no, Austin. God knows. What is it? Let me know. Yeah, pretty nice. You just walk around all the pits, have a look at all the cars, all the race teams that are here. Some you can see big budgets, some are little budgets, but things like this. You get pretty close. Yeah, pretty close to all the cars, almost touching distance. Have a look around. Really nice, really open. That's it, so all the minis going out for their parade lap now. The minis loaded up on a trailer, ready to go home. So yeah, absolutely amazing day as always. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Subscribe.